redistribution of charges on parallel plates, parallel metal plates. There are two metal plates, 1 and 2. Now we take the two parallel plates and we'll extend it to many number of parallel plates. Distribution of charge in isolated metal plates with large surface area and kept parallel. So this is one and this is one. Each are having a charge of TQ and Q. The outer surface, that is outer surface, this surface, the outer surface of extreme outer plates. So outer surface, this is outer plate, outer surface of the extreme outer surface of the extreme outer plates, that is surface A and surface D. Both are extreme outer surface of both the plates will have a charge, will have charges equal to, that is summation of both the charges on the plates 2q plus charge on this plate plus charge on this plate divided by 2, that is equal to 3q by 2. This is the charge on the outer surface of the extreme plate. Both are extreme plates, outer surface. This will have 3q by 2 and this will also have 3q by 2. Both will have same charges. Now, inner surface of plate 1, that is surface B. How much charge it will have? Total charge minus charge in this outer surface, because summation of this charge plus this charge is equal to total charge. So inner surface will have a charge of 2q minus 3q by 2 is equal to q by 2 plus q by 2. Why we say the total charge is 2q? The outer surface of this plate will have a 3q by 2 and here this will have plus q by 2. See, now we see when we add this and this, we will get total charges. So what about this inner surface of the plate 2? Yeah, inner surface of plate 2. So what is the total charge? Will have a charge of, see, the outer plate is having plus 3q by 2 and the inner face, how much it will have? Total charge it is having is q. Total charge it has is q. So the out of q, 3 by 2 q is in the outer surface of this plate. What will be in the inner surface? That is surface C. Surface C. So the charge is equal to, so net charge on the plate is q minus out, what is the outer charge? Charge in the outer plate 3q by 2. 3q by 2 is equal to minus q by 2. So this plate will have a charge of minus q by 2. Minus q by 2. So it means, let us check up this one. 3q by 2 plus q by 2 is equal to 2q and minus q by 2 plus 3 by 2 q by 2 is equal to q. So this is how the charges are split. Charges are distributed when two thick metal plates kept parallel to each other. This is the way how the charges are being distributed. Now let us take example of 3 parallel plates. This is 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. So what is the, now we will see what is the extreme outside. This is extreme outer side of the plates. So the outer surface of extreme outer plates will have a charge, summation of all the 3 charges divided by 2. So charge on outer surface of extreme, that is plate A side 1, that is a plate A, and plate C side 6 will be, so charge is equal to summation of 3q plus minus q plus 0 charge on the plate C divided by 2 is equal to 2q divided by 2 is equal to q. It means the extreme plates outer side, that this will have a charge of q plus q, this will have a charge of plus q. Second, now this is having for surface inner of plate A, for surface inner of plate A, how much? Net charge minus charge outside. Net charge minus charge here, that will be the charges here. It's equal to 2q. So this will have a charge of 2q. And here also, this is 0, this is q. 0 minus q, it will have a minus q charge. Otherwise also we'll check up. So this will have a, for this we have solved, but this plate will induce a charge. This is positive and this is negative. This will induce a equal and opposite charge here. That is minus 2q charge. So on surface, that is surface of B in the side D is equal to minus 2q, and in B, in the fourth, that is in this surface, B4, this surface, it will have how much? Is equal to minus q minus of minus 2q, because this charge minus this charge, that will be charges here, minus q is equal to minus q plus 2q is equal to plus q. So this will be plus q. Okay, now here as it is, a minus q will be induced equivalent charge. As it is, here is q. What is the charges on the surface? In the surface C5, this one, surface plate C in the surface C5 is equal to 0 minus q, as it is equal to minus q. 0, this minus this will be, as it is here, the q will induce a minus charge. So now we have checked this side for the plate A, this side will be plus q and that side will be plus 2q. Q plus 2q plus q is equal to 3q. Here this side minus 2q plus q is equal to minus q. This is minus q plus q is equal to. So this is how the charge is distributed among the parallel charge, distribution of charge in isolated metal plates with large surface area and kept error. This is